team that has been dominant in tag team wrestling for over a decade.
And their opponents, first, at a combined weight of 432. Making their way to the ring, at a combined weight of 482 pounds. At a combined weight of 400 and...
Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner and every opponent in this match.
He's headed out to the ringside area. No disqualifications in this match. Corey, what's the play here?
I think we all know the answer to that one, Cole. Do whatever it takes to win. You're not going to get called out for a thumb to the eyes or a chair to the back, so have at it. Anything is possible here.
Looks like he's coming back in.
Unleashed on the knee, and that might drastically slow things down.
Got to put this thing away. Shoulders down. Face first. Catapulting down on the opponent. Oh, he timed that counter well. Oh, wow, what a strike to the back.
Springboard, but nobody home. Oh, he slips out of harm's way.
Taking on some damage at this point. Whipped into the corner with tremendous force. Oh, and he gets discarded out of the ring.
Guys, they're coming dangerously close here.
Punch right in the head.
Saw it coming and avoided it.
Sent out of the ring the hard way. Again, will this be enough? And he stops the ref's count. Picked up. Beautiful spin out power. Picture perfect position. Oh, great takedown. Into the cover.
He just flipped the script there. Hoping to compromise that knee joint completely.
He might have secured the win here.
Punishment has been absorbed by these men already.
And yet, they are still going. Still ready for more. Into an elbow drop. He's lining him up. Ooh. Oh.
Going for the 3 count. And that breaks up the pin.
Dodges away.
Oh, that hurt. Strong kick. Oh, it's coming.
Earlier, Ranger Skull. Stick a fork in him. I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. All eyes are glued on this battle. Quickly transition. Shoulders are down.
Uh-oh.
Calculating the next move here.
Ankle.
And look at his eyes. This isn't going to be good. He's got nasty plans in mind.
Both competitive.
What are they thinking now?
And he counters. And spear.
That's it. It's over. He is done.
He breaks up.
He's holding it. He's got him.
Fights the shoulder up and one.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before.
Look at this now. Taking his opponent over the announce desk. taking a dangerous turn here.
The cover! The cover! Kicks out.
I mean, you gotta think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time.
No telling how long the table can stand up to this action.
Getting out of harm's way. Reached on the shoulders. Feast your eyes. That might have been the final nail. The WWE Universe, really these superstars are.
Pumping the adrenaline. Ripcord from behind. Oh, right in the kisser.
That can close the curtains on him.
The check broken.
Oh, blow. How cheap is that?
Oh, big mistake, and that error could be costly.
Here it comes.
Swinging the elbow to halt the offense.
Good to the gut.
I have a theory what's coming next. The path to the end is clear now.
What a drop kick.
Man, what a strike. And he's busted open. We need to get the doctors out here quick. He's got him down to the pin.
He brings up the pin attack.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe...
He has no idea what just hit him.
Oh, wow. Made the save there.
That could have been it. Hoist it up high here.
Someone call a dentist.
He wants this fight on the outside.
Oh, right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious.
Left foot hospital, right foot graveyard.
I don't think this is going to end well.
Are we about to see it?
Powerbomb.
Absolutely devastating.
He may be out for good after that.
The pin. It's all or nothing time. Pressing their foot. Oh, God, that's got to hurt. And it's obvious as a weapon. Hasn't slipped here.
No idea where he's getting this from, but he's not letting the pain and fatigue stop him from going.
Looking to go up high. Caught that. It reversed it.
Inverted vertical suplex. Here we go. He thinks this is it.
There's the winners of the tag match.
Here are your winners, Iron Man and Peter Parker.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
A win's a win, and it's also all that matters here in WWE. Good job.